one of the two officers who helped take down the gunman in the 2009 Fort Hood shooting rampage, described exchanging gunfire with him during testimony Friday. Officier Kimberly Munley described for the jury how a soldier pointed her in the direction of Major Nidal Hasan, who began firing in her direction. Munley testified that Hassan was firing in her direction when she tried to engage him during the November attack. "I fired an unknown amount of shots and he was running toward my direction, continuing to fire rapidly," she said. Munley was shot 3 times in the attack before Hassan kicked her weapon away and stumbled away. "I see him standing over me trying to fire his weapon as well, but his is not firing," she told jurors. Munley said he then began exchanging fire with another officer nearby. She was also asked if she recognized the shooter in the courtroom and silently pointed at Hassan. The court also heard from an FBI agent who searched the Hassan's home the night of the rampage. FBI agent Donna Cowling testified Friday when the team arrived at his apartment in Kildeen near the Army post. They found his apartment was nearly empty. "It wasn't what we saw, it was what we didn't see," she said, adding that the kitchen cabinets were pretty much empty. She says there was no furniture, only a card table, a prayer rug and a shredder. On the table was a package for a pistol laser sight, rubber bands and paper towels. Witnesses have testified that Hassan stuffed paper towels in his pockets before the attack to muffle the sound. Hassan is accused of killing 13 people and injuring more than 30 others at the Texas military base. Jurors have also heard about what happened outside the medical building where Hassan opened fire on unarmed soldiers. Witnesses have started to describe what happened outside the medical building where the accused Fort Hood gunman opened fire on unarmed soldiers in a November 2009 rampage. 2 police officers helped take down Hassan, paralyzing him in the process. Hassan could face the death penalty if convicted of premeditated murder and attempted premeditated murder. Prosecutors have called 74 witnesses heading into Friday, the 9th day of the trial. For 2 days, pathologists described how dozens of bullets hit and killed 13 people. Hassan is representing himself. He has remained mostly silent throughout testimony.